Okay, guys, that was Mina Park. That was all about Mina District, Flag Plaza on the left. So now we exit the place. So we're gonna be heading the side of Mia Park. Yeah, Mia Park. That is where you find the Museum of Islamic Art. Yes, that's where we're heading. So just at this point, that's the gate that was entering. Actually, it is not even a gate; it's an entrance. Yeah, as you see right there in front, that is the Flag Plaza. Yes. So here we start off the journey that is heading to Mia Park. Yeah. So at this point here, you'll be able to see this very huge screen, as you see right here. All the features that you'll be able to see, these ones. Yeah, the flowers. There's this huge anchor, this boat anchor. I don't know if it's called the anchor. So yeah, that's how the place looks like. When you reach this point, you have free parkings. Most people who always want to come for jogging, cycling, maybe if you have a vehicle, yeah, right here on the right, that's where you find some free parkings. Of course, on the side, show you where you pay. Yeah, Souk Wakif or Al Souk, Museum of Islamic Art, like I told you, on the right, just on the same line right ahead. Yeah, so let's proceed. Guys, tell me, how is the journey so far? Yeah, is it so interesting or kind of boring? I just wanted us to, be able to feel this journey together because even I myself, I used to bypass these places. I know most of them, yeah, but I've never taken time to go and check them out. So at times when I go silent, I just want you to feel like you're walking with me. Whatever I'm viewing is what you're viewing. So yeah, that is the view as you see it right here. And yeah, it really looks so nice because of the green, the trees. Yeah, it's so nice looking. Okay, so right ahead, you see some other buildings. There is the Ministry of Environment just on the left here. Yeah, there's a Ministry of Environment. And right ahead, that building in the square, that is QNB Bank. Then there's Ministry of Finance next. Then last one, there is Central Bank. Yeah, so when I reached here, guys, I had to pause the video first. I waited, then I entered. Yeah, so here we are inside. That is the entrance of this place. I found some tents, tents that have been built. So yeah, this signboard Doha bus, this yellow bus, most of you who are here in Qatar, it takes a lot of people, like tourists who always move around Doha. Yeah, it's painted yellow. So when I reached this point, I was able to notice that there were some tents around here, but I guess it was like an exhibition. Yeah, cultural kind of exhibition because you will look around and yeah, it had some materials that were like from uh, a certain country or certain countries, kind of. Yeah, that is the view of the Museum of Islamic Art. Yes. Most of the things they were covered. Yeah, since it was still morning. I told you before, Qatar is always busy around afternoon time and evening times. Yes, so this was still morning hours, and I guess that's why everything was seemed to be covered. Yeah, so the other side is the Museum of Islamic Art. I wasn't able to go there, guys, because of the situation that was going on in Qatar, and other neighboring Arab countries. So some places like museums, they were, you know, out of access. So you could only just reach outside and take some pictures. And even recording, by the way, security, they tell you not to record. So that's why I wasn't focused all the way that side. And I had to come here. and I show you this flag from one of our countries in Africa. Yes, this is Morocco. Yeah, that's a Moroccan flag. Yeah, I had to proceed. Forgive me, guys. There was some kind of construction here. That's why you hear the noise. That is the noise of a certain machine they used to drill on the floor. That's why, it causes some vibration as it digs in the ground. So that's why you hear that noise. And yeah, this museum, I have never entered it, to be honest. This is like my third time I come here. But it's like I'm a little bit unlucky because whenever I try to come and access it, either I reach when time for visitation is finished, or I reach the time when it is not allowed. Like today again, this day, when I reached, still, because of the current situation in the country, yeah, you are not allowed to access it. But it's okay. I understand. Maybe some other time, in some other videos, I'll try to visit certain museums in Qatar. Yeah. and of course you will never miss to see those boats. Yes, yeah, just like this whole place is next to the sea, so you'll be able to see water very often, so with some boats. Yeah, so this is the place, guys. Come and check it out. Come and check it out, guys. It's a very nice looking place. Yeah, it has a huge park, like I'll be showing you ahead in the next video. Oh, bye. See you.